Hi, I'm Albert from SMA Australia. Today in front of me here is the Sunnyboy Smart Energy. I'll be showing you the quick installation, starting with the mounting bracket here. Make sure you grab your drill and affix onto the wall as so. Now we have the wall bracket mounted, we can move on to the inverter itself. So first you'll need the included Allen key, and under this top cover you'll find a socket. So with 1/4 turn you'll release the locking mechanism, and it may come up freely or you may need to release a sticker at the bottom to allow some air to pass in, and the lid will simply lift off. From here you can remove this packaging, set it aside. You won't need it later, but just be responsible with your rubbish. And inside we can see the inverter. So from here we'll be able to install it straight onto the mounting bracket. When mounting the inverter on the bracket, you must ensure the top notch goes in first to allow you to swing in the bottom, which will then fall into place. Included in the accessory pack you'll find some cable glands. To ensure the IP rating of the inverter, you want to install at least 3. To do so, you'll need to first remove the plastic covering as such. Once you've installed your cable glands, you must ensure that they're tightened correctly, and from here we'll be ready to wire the inverter. Now it's time for us to feed in our DC cabling from our PV. Next up, we'll be installing our Wago connectors to the inverter itself. So we must keep in mind, positive is on the left, negative is on the right. Now the cables are terminated, so we'll attach them into the PCB. Now that we've finished our DC side, it's time to come over here to the AC. One thing we need to be mindful of, this green connector here is for our live and our neutral. However, we must terminate our earth on the earthing bar here. Now we've fed our AC cables up, we just want to make sure we've got our ferrite around our active and neutral, and now we're ready for terminating. With this installation, we'll be using a hardwired LAN connection. So first we need to ensure that we remove this cover with our connection board underneath, and we'll be running through this shielded LAN cable. So you've got 2 sockets there, just make sure you terminate until you hear a click. Now with all our wiring completed, we can replace our lid and install our side covers. And to secure the lid, we do a 1/4 turn clockwise and we're done. Now to install these side covers, we've got locating lugs which fall into position similar to how we installed the inverter. Like so. That's it, we've completed the installation of our Sunnyboy Smart Energy. Thanks for watching.